Today in this video I'd like to discuss on mail merge, in specifically the step-by-step on how to do mail merge using Microsoft Word. Mail merge is a method of using a single document or a letter format to create multiple documents or letters which can be mailed or sent as letter, and all these documents will have the same format, but your data like the names and addresses will be different in all the documents, and those names and addresses should be saved in the format called the data source. So this data source, that is the list of names and addresses, can be made within Microsoft Word itself or by using some other applications like Microsoft Excel. So mail merge is a combination of the generic letter, that is the letter format, and the data source where there will be the list of names and addresses, and it can be merged to create the multiple documents or the letters. So let us see how it can be done using Microsoft Word. So I have a letter here, and this letter will be sent to many people, and then I want to put the names, addresses, and pin code in this area. For making mail merge, you have to go to mailings in the menu and go to select recipients, and in the select recipients you have to go to type in new list, as we don't have a list of the names and addresses right now. And when you click on that, it'll open a new floating box. So in here we have a lot of columns like the title, first name, last name, company, and many other. And those columns are not the ones which I need now, so I can go to customize. So for now I can delete all the field names because this is not what I want. And now I can add the field names that I need, that is name, add, address, okay, add, pin, okay. So let us write the names and addresses. So in this case, for practice, I have typed only 3 names. After typing the names and addresses, click OK. So I have to save the list of names and addresses, which will be the data source file. I'll save this one on desktop. Click on save. And once you're done saving the list or the data source, go to insert merge field. So here name will be there, so I'll click on name. In the next line we'll have the address, and in the next line pin code. Let us format them a little bit. After inserting the field names, go to the last area, that is finish and merge. So in here we have 3 options, like edit individual, where you can edit if you have made any mistake while making the list of the names and addresses. Print the documents, so that you can print the document directly and give the letters, or you can also send email. So we can see it by using individual documents. Click OK, and here you have it. We have saved 3 names. So this is the letter for the first person, this is for the second person, and this is for the third person. Likewise you can create for many people of the same format. Mail merge is not only for letters and mails, you can also use it for some other purposes, like in this case I want to put the serial number from 1 to 100, or it can be more than that also. So to do that I need to have a list of the serial number, and for that reason I made this Excel sheet containing the serial numbers, which will be used as the data source. Go to mailings again, select recipient, and since we already have the list of the serial number, go to use existing list and search for that file which you have the serial number, click that. Okay, and in here, since we have already selected the list, go to insert merge field and add the fields. After inserting the fields, we'll be following the same process. That is, we'll go to finish and merge, edit individual documents, and click OK. And you'll see that serial number has been inserted, 1 in 1 here, 26 and 26 here, and it'll go on. So you'll see that all the serial numbers has been added, like up to the serial number 100 here.